Drawing daily in uni, day 5. Welcome back, silly bakas. Today, other than drawing a sexy ass power, I've got a sexy ass in my Perry the Platypus onesie, ready for Halloween. Today, I'm doing my figure drawing practice, inking power, and drawing a singular perspective drawing. Did you know that Halloween used to be a Celtic festival where the soul of dead people would return to their homes, so people would dress in costumes to ward off spirits? Well, it's perfect, because walking around at 3 a.m. yesterday with this costume would ward off anything. I'm trying to improve to a point where I can draw stuff from my imagination. So if y'all know how to do that, or just have any drawing suggestions, honestly, just drop them in the comments. And with that, day 5 is over. Follow for more.